Welcome to a new video. In this video I'm hiking up a hill once again. I know I do this pretty often in these videos. And the goal is of course the top of this hill to check out the sunset. It should be pretty cool, but I hope I make it in time because it's still far to go and it's pretty late already, so let's hope for the best. It's also extremely windy today. I don't know if you can hear that in the audio, but I'm sorry if you can. I'll see if I can remove the wind in the edit, but I don't know if I can move all the wind. Time for a quick break before we move on. Of course, super important to stay hydrated, so cheers. Up there, it's actually snowing. I don't think it's coming here, but I wish it did actually. It would be very cool. What a lovely view over there. So much wind up here, it's actually insane. This is my second and final break of this little hike, of this little trip, because the goal is actually behind me. That's the top of the hill. And I have plenty of time to get up there because the sun is going down in about 50 minutes. So it should be all fine. I hope I can make some cool photos and videos for you guys at home. And I'm glad I made it on time. So as you can see, I made it to the top of the hill and this is where the sun is about to set. It's looking absolutely amazing. However, I'm not gonna wait till the sun fully sets because I still need to walk back and I need there to be some light to see where I'm going. I did not bring any flashlight or some sort. So yeah, that's something for next time. But I think I made some cool photos and I'm making some cool shots already. If you think the same, let me know in the comments down below and enjoy the rest of the sunset. So this is it. This is where I'm going to end the video. As I just said, I still need to walk home and yeah, I need it to be light, so I hope you guys understand. Let me know if you liked the video, and if you did, please like the video as well, press on the like button. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.